guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little unboxing of something interesting I found today. I was at the hobby shop, went to pick something up, which we'll be seeing on our next Stash Shed video, and I found this. Now, I've never seen this before. This is by Glencoe Models. I've never had anything from them before. I don't know if any of you guys out there know who they are. Give me some info in the comments. Let me know. These are 1/72nd scale Jaguar XK120 and Ferrari sports car. I mean, tiny little boxes, and there's 2 kits in here. So it's only $10. So I figured, you know what? I'm curious. Let me see what this is all about. So let's open this puppy up and do a quick unboxing, because I'm really curious and I have never seen this before. So let's jump right in and open this thing up. Of course, you know about my insane notion of leaving the plastic intact. As far as I can tell, I guess it opens that way. Okay. Well, there's not a lot in here. This is really, really interesting. This has to be... really isn't a lot to do here, but... wow. This is really interesting. Let's open this up and see what we get. I don't know when this is for. We're gonna have to take a quick trip through ScaleMates and see if there's any information on here about this. And even the bag is very oddly sealed. Not really sure what's going on there. Let's open this thing up and take a look at what we have here. Now, the instructions are interesting. Here we have 1 page for the Jaguar, and on the back side, 1 page for the Ferrari. Not a lot of parts here for each kit, but at 1/72nd scale, I wouldn't imagine it'd be that much. So, let's take a look here. Nothing's numbered. I guess we're just gonna have to go visually to figure out what's what. This looks like it might be from the Jaguar. Now, this is really interesting. Here you can see the seats. They do have a little bit of detailing in them. You can see the pleated seats. Here we have what must be the floorboard, I'm guessing, with the 3 pedals. This is really, really cool, guys. Okay, now this I'm going to guess is from the Ferrari. Here we have our seats, our glass. These must be the tires, steering wheel, instrument panel. Very, very cool. Now let's take a look at what I'm sure you guys are all really interested in seeing. Here is the body of the Jaguar. The details are very soft. The panel lines are very, very soft. Let's look at the underside. It actually has for what it is, it's actually got a pretty decently detailed undercarriage. There's the engine, the drive shaft, transmission. That's going to involve a little bit of detail painting there to bring that out a little bit. I'm not even sure what these are. So that's our Jaguar. Now let's take a look at our Ferrari. 1/72nd scale. Wow. This is the smallest that I've ever built as far as cars go. Now this is the Ferrari. You're gonna need a little bit of cleaning up, and again, it's probably gonna need some details engraved. And Also nicely detailed on the undercarriage. And these are all, that's 2 trees per car. And like I said, for what they are, they're really decently detailed. They're probably going to come about the size of a Hot Wheels car. Maybe a little bit larger. And it's going to be interesting quick little builds for these two. So stay tuned, guys. This should be really interesting. Glencoe models. Gonna definitely have to hit up ScaleMates and see what's going on with this. Okay, guys, we're on ScaleMates now. We're gonna be taking a look and seeing if we can find something on this particular kit to see where it came from or what its age is. Now, I see 2 listings for the Jaguar XK20, which is one of the kits in this box. So we have and here we can find the Jaguar XK20, and here this is the particular kit I have here. Yep, that's it. That's the box cover there. Let's see what we can find out about it. European Crew XK120 and Ferrari Sports Car 172nd kit. Where I can see here, well, you can see it was released in the 2000s. It says 2000X, not a specific year. So this is a rebox. I don't see anything else here under Glencoe. Vehicle's history shows nothing. Let's go back a little bit. Let's see what else we can find. Now we have the kit here. XK120 Glencoe models. Apparently it was packaged in a plastic bag container, not a box. So let's see what we have here. Released in 1994 with a new box, it says here. But here we can see that it traces back to 1955. Wow. From the Ideal Toy Corporation. And then in 1964 it was released with the Ferrari. And then in 1994 it was released under the Glencoe models name, and with the Jaguar alone in the bag instead of a box. So I guess they don't have an updated timeline leading into the 2000s, which is where the particular kit that I have seems to be dated from. Let's take a look here. Jaguar and Ferrari sports car kit. Easy build. You can hear it contains 2. Now the Jaguar is there, but this is not a Ferrari. This is a Buick concept car. So something's not right there, but it appears that it was packaged with this Buick in the 1960s. In 1955, it was packaged with this Buick. Let's see what the force here. 1955, it was okay, here we go. It was released in 1955 as a new tool, packaged with this Buick. I don't know why they have it listed as a Ferrari, but this, matter of fact, this Buick they did have at the hobby shop. Now, it was reboxed as a Ferrari and Jaguar correctly here in 1964. Then in 1994 released, not really a box, but and then I guess Glencoe released it on their own in 1994. Ringo Toy Corporation was in 1964, and Ideal Toy Corporation was in 1955. So I am going to guess that Glencoe re-released it. We lost it there. Gonna guess that Glencoe re-released this car in the 2000s. This kit. And that's probably the last time it was released. And unless someone else has it currently released now. Looking at the instructions right now, it's made in the USA. Looking for any sort of dating on this. By using Glencoe Models Inc. box. Glencoe Models Inc. box 846, Massachusetts. Northborough, Massachusetts. So I'm gonna have to find out whether Glencoe Models is still around making models. Why don't we just do this right now, guys? Glencoe Models. And here we go, guys. There we go. Glencoe Models, history in the making. We built mines for models. Website created in 2014. Most recent update January 2023. So they are still around. Let's take a look at their catalog. There's the Buick. Interesting. Let's click here and see what we have here. Found it, guys. European cool Jaguar XK, suitable for display alongside 172nd scale aircraft and very close to 176. So ideal for British double gauge railway layouts. Guess we can't click on that. There are no links there going anywhere. Now I did see a few of these other kits. This was there. This was there. This one. This one. The one that I got here. There were a couple of others. Oh, and this one was there. Oh, it's very, very interesting. 1/100 scale. So there you go, guys. Now we know Glencoe is still around, making precision miniature kits, repopping old kits from the 50s and the 60s. I find it extremely interesting. I hope you guys did too. And they're all made here in the USA. All right, guys. Let's get back to our unboxing. Alright guys, that's it for this quick unboxing. Hope you guys found this as interesting as I did, because it looks like we got some automotive scale modeling history going on here. Alright, see you on the next one.